You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from French. A three command start when fencing. Let's start with the French pronunciation. En garde, meaning get in defense position, the garde position. En garde. Prêt, meaning ready, or are you ready? Prêt, the T and the S are silent. Prêt. Aller, meaning go or start. Overall, en garde, prêt, aller. En garde, prêt, aller. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say en garde, prêt, aller. En garde, prêt, aller. Or in French, en garde, prêt, aller. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.